Hey, how's it going? Thanks for watching. Today I'm talking about the Jimi Hendrix style of playing, your bar chords, kind of breaking them down into kind of chord partials. So I'm thinking of E minor to C, G to D. So I'm thinking of 6-4-1-5 chord change, and when I come up here to this E minor, sometimes I'll let this low E note, E string, ring out against it. And you'll see me using my thumb to grab these bass notes so I can come down and do some kind of chord embellishments. So let's zoom in. And let's take a look at what I'm working with here. So I'm starting here on the 7th fret on the A string. Got 7, 10. And when I play this 7th here, I'm kind of this is 7, 8 on the G and B string, and then I hammer up to the 10th fret on the B string. This here at the 10th fret is my minor third back to my root. So that's what I'm doing with the E minor shape. When I go to the C, I'll reach my thumb around, hit that C note, and then do a C triad shape, but I'm grabbing the high E string as well. And then I'll do my kind of cascade down here on the 10th fret with my 4th finger kind of pulling off from the E, B, and G string. When I go to make this G chord shape, and if you know your cage shape, this is the C shape of the G major. So that's what's going on when I get to this G shape. And then for D, when I'll come up again with my thumb, and then I'm going to bar the bottom 2 strings on the B and E string at the 10th fret, and I'm going to slide up to the 12th fret. I'm going to go to G and B strings, and I'm going to go 9th and 10th fret and slide up to 11th and 12th. I'll play this D note here on the 12th fret against this E note here on the G string. And I always end that 6-4-1-5 or the E minor, C, G, and D, and I'll always go back to the G when I'm done with the progression. But if I keep going, I'll just keep cycling through. I'll go back to the E minor. And if I ended on this G chord. So what's happening is, say you have your C chord. I'm just focusing on this bottom triad piece here, and then I can embellish And on that D chord, when I'm sliding here, and I'm just kind of picking apart this bar chord. I really love Jimi Hendrix style of guitar playing. I love how wild and unabashed and unbridled it can sound, almost just the brink of, just complete chaos. And I love his clean, really light approach, like The Wind Cries Mary, Axis Bold as Love, all of that kind of stuff. Castles Made of Sand. So if you haven't really given a chance to Hendrix, really go check out some of those recordings. They're fantastic. Check them all out. But I hope you really get something out of this. And once again, thank you so much for watching. Take care.